How to fix touchpad not working on Windows 11. So if you want to fix touchpad not working on your Windows 11, then make sure that you have an external mouse. Now you just need to simply go with the search option. Now under search, you need to search for main.cpl and hit the enter, and you'll get the mouse properties, right? Now under mouse properties, you will have an option of touchpad right here. So if you have the touchpad option, you just need to simply go and toggle that on or turn that on. Once you turn that on, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply right click on your Windows and go with the device manager. Under device manager, now you just need to simply go with the mice and other pointing devices, and you need to go with the device in which you are facing the problem, and then right click on it, go with update driver, or just go with properties and then go with driver and update your driver. Once you update it, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and uninstall the device. Once you uninstall, then you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your drive will be automatically installed and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then you just need to simply open up your settings, right click on your Windows and go with settings. Go with touchpad settings, search for touchpad, and here make sure that your touchpad is turned on. Once you turn that on, then your problem might be fixed, or you just need to simply go with system. And under system, you need to scroll down and go with troubleshoot section. Go with other troubleshooters. Now under other troubleshooters, you just need to simply find an option of touchpad and then go with run, which is on the right side. And once you run the troubleshooter for it, then your problem might be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.